Alrighty then, so this morning I'm going to work on this. Basically, I'm all I'm going to do is make sure it works, or find out if it works. It is a Craftsman self-propelled electric start lawnmower that I bought at a Goodwill for $19.99. I brought it home, and I haven't done anything with it, and I'm just going to see if we're going to get it up someplace, and we'll see if it works. And I'm also going to use my my lift that I made. All right. Okay. So that's the first time I've actually lifted anything with this other than a battery. Alright. Alrighty. So I pulled the battery out of it, and it has a date code of 2007, so it's dead. I have another battery, and luckily for me, whoever turned this or donated it put the key, or sent the key with it. So I'm going to hook up this battery. Hopefully we won't get any sparks. And we'll check it for spark as well. While we have it open. So let's see if this thing works. And it doesn't turn over. Alright. Oh, I know what's going on here. Oh, nanny state. That was it. It was the kill bar. So, let's pop this open. Oh, that is a crusty. Look at that. Oh, it's nice to see people taking care of their stuff. And I also needed to see if this thing had spark. Let's see if I can somehow see that. Hard to tell, so I think I'm just going to put some starter fluid in it. Gas with 2-stroke, and then spray it with some starter fluid. Alright, so it does work. Give it a little more. Alright, so here's what the deal is with this. I don't actually care about the power drive, and you can see here this lovely repair that someone did. This wheel broke, and they took a piece of wood and basically screwed it there, and obviously the battery's dead. I've got it hooked up temporarily with that, but this battery doesn't have enough juice, to use battery, to really start this thing. I had checked the oil in it, and it does have oil. So, and obviously it has spark, and the gas tank is dry. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to be putting this back together again, and I'm going to set it aside, and when the winter comes up I'm going to transfer the motor and the handle to this old Yard Boy as long as the blade will fit in there. I don't know if that's a 21 or 22. This one's a 22 inch supposedly. Oh, and this has this interesting feature. You hook a garden hose up to it and start the engine, and then use that to clean the underside of the thing. Kind of a bizarre idea. I don't know why you care, but whatever. So I'm gonna get this thing down off of these sawhorses and put it back together and set it aside, and this will be a project for next winter. Okay. Now, some people might say, why don't you just pick it up? Well, because it weighs close to 75 pounds, extremely awkward, and I have a messed up back. So, if anyone wants to come over and offer to pick stuff up like this for me, I'll be glad to have them. Anyways, like I said, we'll see this probably sometime in November, because it's too hot now. Later.